This is a major shift and chances are you haven't heard about it yet. But after September 30th, 2025, your Social Security check could use stop. Imagine this. You open your mailbox expecting your benefit payment, and it never shows up. Sounds scary. It's about to become reality for thousands, and exactly what you need to do before it's too late. Today, I am breaking down everything you need to know about the government's decision to eliminate paper checks. Share your story in the comments, it might just help someone else. This policy change comes directly from Executive Order 14,247 signed by President Trump in March, requiring all federal payments to go digital. But first, have you or someone you know ever had a late check, struggled with setting up direct deposit? So here's what's happening. Starting September 30th, 2025, paper checks for Social Security, including retirement, disability, and SSI, are being phased out completely. The Social Security Administration isn't just talking about it, they've already mailed notices. Why? Because electronic payments are 16 times safer and cost way less to process. In 2024 alone, $650 million was spent just to maintain paper check systems. Drop a yes in the comments and let's spread awareness. But there's a problem. Not everyone's ready for this. That's over 500,000 people, while only about 1% still use paper checks. Many are older adults, people with disabilities, or those in rural areas where digital banking isn't common. These requests take time to process. The shift to digital is happening across student loans, tax refunds, and VA benefits. Question for you. Do you know someone who still gets a paper check? So, what can you do to avoid missing payments? Talk to your parents, your grandparents, your neighbors. Sometimes one simple conversation can prevent a financial disaster. This shift could leave some behind, unless we step in. Sign up through your bank, credit union, or my Social Security account. Option 1, direct deposit, the fastest and safest route. Option 2, Direct Express, a government-backed debit card with 0 monthly fees, no credit checks, and easy ATM access. Overseas, check if your country qualifies for international direct deposit. Struggling to make the switch? You can apply for an exemption under undue hardship by contacting SSI directly. But don't wait. This isn't just about Social Security. Take care of yourself and check in on someone else too. The big question is, are we moving too fast for some people to keep up? Studies show most seniors still prefer in-person banking. So, reach out. Step 1. If you still get paper checks, call your bank or visit SSI.gov and switch ASAP. Step 2. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Step 3. Subscribe for more clear, honest updates on changes that directly affect you. Before you go, how do you feel about this change? Progress or problematic? Comment below. I'm here to keep you informed, and until next time.